Bonjour, welcome to today's lesson, and today we are going to understand how to use subject pronouns in French. How to use subject pronouns in French. There are three personal pronouns in French. We have first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. Each personal pronoun has a singular and plural form in French. So we have singular and plural. We have je, the plural of je is nous, tu, the plural of tu is vous, il, the plural of il is il, elle, and the plural of elle is elle. So the S is not pronounced, it's just il and elle. So first person plural, singular and plural, we have je, which translates to I, and nous, which translates to we or us. So we have je suis acteur, I am an actor. Nous sommes acteurs, we are actors. So the plural of je is nous, and the verb changes depending on the verb that you're using at that particular time. So we have second person pronoun, singulier et pluriel, tu and vous. Tu es acteur. You are an actor. Vous êtes acteur. So we can have vous êtes acteur with the S there. If we retain the S that is in bracket, it means that's the plural of tu. But I could be addressing somebody I respect, somebody I'm meeting for the first time, and that vous would be a respect to vous, and it is going to be without the S if I'm addressing one person. So the vous could be you addressing more than one person, or the vous could be you addressing one person who you really respect. So we have the third person pronoun, singulier et pluriel, il, elle. And the plural of il et elle is il avec un S and elle with an S. So for example, I can say, il est acteur, elle est actrice. So the adjective actor, which is a profession, changes when it is translated to feminine, and it will be actrice. And then we have ils sont acteurs, elles sont actrices. Supposing you're referring to a male and female actor, then the male pronoun supersedes the female pronoun, and we are going to say ils sont acteurs. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Remember to subscribe.